Introduction to JavaScript Formatter. JavaScript Formatter, also known as JavaScript beautifier, is a tool used to format or beautify JavaScript code. It makes the code more readable, understandable, and easy to debug by adding spaces, indentations, and line breaks where necessary. What is JavaScript Formatter? It is a tool that transforms messy, minified, or obfuscated JavaScript code into a well-structured and readable format. It helps in debugging JavaScript code by showing clear indentations and line breaks, making it easier to identify code blocks and logic flow. Most modern integrated development environments, IDEs, and code editors come with built-in JavaScript formatters, but online tools can also be used. Why is JavaScript formatting important? Code readability. Well-formatted JavaScript code is easy to read and understand, helping other developers to get a clear picture of the code's structure and logic. Debugging. Finding and fixing bugs is easier with formatted JavaScript code, as it is easier to trace errors in a clean, well-structured code. Maintenance. Well-formatted code is easier to maintain and update, reducing the time and effort needed to understand and modify the code. How to use a JavaScript formatter. Take a minified JavaScript code and format it using an online JavaScript formatter. The formatted code is easier to read and understand as function, parameters, and return statement are clearly separated and indented. Tips and tricks for using JavaScript formatter. Consistency. Maintain a consistent coding style throughout your code. Use a linter, a tool that checks your code for programming errors, bugs, stylistic errors, and suspicious constructs. Common error-prone cases and how to avoid them. Incorrect indentation. Always use consistent indentation. JavaScript formatters allow you to set the number of spaces or tabs for indentation. Missing semicolons, although optional in some cases, always include semicolons to avoid confusion. Unnecessary code. Remove commented out or unused code before formatting. Conclusion. JavaScript Formatter is an essential tool for any JavaScript developer. It makes the code more readable, easier to debug and maintain. Maintaining a consistent coding style and using a linter can help avoid common mistakes and write clean, well-structured, and error-free JavaScript code.